नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आजच्या नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं स्वागत. आजच्या व्हिडिओचं टायटल आहे इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट. त्यामध्ये आपण ॲडव्हान्टेज ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट, टाईप्स ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट, इन्ग्रेडियंट्स ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट आणि युजेस ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट या 4 पॉईंटबद्दल डिटेल माहिती घेऊया. मित्रांनो, हा व्हिडिओ आवडला तर जरूर लाईक व शेअर करा व आपण या चॅनलवरती नवीन असाल तर चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करण्यासाठी विसरू नका. चला तर पाहूया इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट.
Concrete is the most commonly used man-made material on earth. It is an important construction material used extensively in building bridges, roads and dams. Concrete is a mixture of binding material, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate and water in a definite proportion are called as concrete. Cement and lime are generally used as a binding materials, whereas sand, cinder is used as a fine aggregate, and crushed stones, gravel, broken bricks, clinkers are used as a coarse aggregate. आता आपण ॲडव्हान्टेजेस ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट पाहूया. पहिलं ॲडव्हान्टेजेस आहे कॉन्क्रीट कॅन हँडल द कॉम्प्रेशन ट्रेसेस 10 times more than the tensions. And the most of loads in our life is compression. Second, concrete is a brittle material which gives the advantages to make a rigid structure. Number 3, easy to handle, or especially now there is a plant that give you ready mixed concrete. आता आपण क्वालिटीज ऑफ गुड कॉन्क्रीट, गुड कॉन्क्रीटच्या कोणकोणत्या क्वालिटीज असायला हव्यात त्याबद्दल माहिती घेऊया. पहिला आहे स्ट्रेंथ. The concrete should be able to withstand the stresses that it is subjected to. It is a quite strong in compression but weak in tension. Durability. It should be durable enough to resist the effect of weathering agents. Density. The concrete should be well compacted so that there are no voids or hollows left. It should weigh 3000 kg per cubic meter. Water tightness. When used for construction of water retaining structures such as dams, elevated tanks and water reservoirs, then this property of concrete becomes very important. Otherwise, the moisture inside the RCC would corrode the steel and leakage would start resulting in the ultimate failure of the structures. Workability. It should be easily workable. Resistance to wear and tear. When used in floors and in the construction of roads, the concrete should be able to withstand abrasive forces. आता आपण इन्ग्रेडियंट्स ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट पाहूया. कॉन्क्रीट तयार करण्यासाठी कोणकोणते घटक लागतात. त्यामध्ये पहिला घटक आहे बाइंडिंग मटेरियल, आणि बाइंडिंग मटेरियल आपण सिमेंट आणि लाईम वापरू शकतो. दुसरा घटक आहे फाईन ॲग्रिगेट म्हणजेच सँड. तिसरा घटक आहे कोर्स ॲग्रिगेट म्हणजेच खडी, आणि चौथा घटक आहे वॉटर म्हणजेच पाणी. हे 4 घटक आपण कॉन्क्रीट तयार करण्यासाठी आवश्यक आहे. आता आपण टाइप्स ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट बघूया. त्यामध्ये अकॉर्डिंग टू बाइंडिंग मटेरियल युज्ड मध्ये सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट एक प्रकार आहे आणि दुसरा लाईम कॉन्क्रीट आहे. अकॉर्डिंग टू डिझाईन वरती पहिला प्रकार आहे प्लेन सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट PCC, दुसरा प्रकार आहे रेनफोर्स्ड सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट RCC आणि तिसरा प्रकार आहे प्री-टेस्टेड सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट. आणि अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रपोज वरती पहिला प्रकार आहे व्हॅक्यूम कॉन्क्रीट, दुसरा आहे एअर एंटर्ड कॉन्क्रीट, तिसरा आहे लाईट वेट कॉन्क्रीट. असे आपण वेगवेगळे प्रकार पाहणार आहोत. आता आपण पहिला जो आपण प्रकार बघितला सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट, तर इट इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ सिमेंट, फाईन ॲग्रिगेट, कोर्स ॲग्रिगेट अँड वॉटर इन ए फिक्स्ड प्रोपोर्शन or a suitable proportion are called as cement concrete. In cement concrete, useful proportion of its ingredients are 1 part of cement to 1 to 8 parts sand and 2 to 16 parts coarse aggregate. Uses of cement concrete is commonly used in building and other important engineering works where strength and durability is of prime importance. आता लाइम कॉन्क्रीट. The concrete in which lime, that is calcium oxide, is used as a binding material that concrete are called as lime concrete. Uses of lime concrete. Lime concrete is generally used for the sake of economy in foundation works, under floors, over roof and where cement is not cheaply and easily available in the required quantity. According to design मध्ये पहिला प्रकार आपण बघूया plain cement concrete. The cement concrete in which no reinforcement is provided is called as plain cement concrete or moss cement concrete. This type of concrete is strong in taking compressive stresses but weak in taking tensile stresses. Uses of plain cement concrete. Plain cement concrete is commonly used in foundation work and flooring of buildings. आता आपण दुसरा प्रकार पाहूया reinforced cement concrete. The cement concrete in which reinforcement is embedded for the taking tensile stresses is called as reinforced cement concrete. In this type of concrete, the steel reinforcement is to be usually generally in the form of round bars about 66 mm to 30 mm diameter. This concrete is equally strong in taking tensile, compressive and shear stresses. Usual proportion of ingredients in a reinforced concrete are 1 part of cement to 1 to 2 parts of sand, 2 to 4 parts of crushed stones or gravels. Uses of RCC concrete. RCC is commonly used for construction of slabs, beams, columns, foundation, precast concrete, etc. आता आपण pre-stressed cement concrete बद्दल बघूया. The cement concrete in which high compressive stresses are artificially induced before their actual use is called pre-stressed cement concrete. In this type of cement concrete, the high compressive stresses are induced by the pre-tensioning the reinforcement before placing the concrete, and the reinforcement is released when final setting of the concrete take place. Uses of pre-stressed concrete. This concrete can be take up high tensile and compressive stresses without development of cracks. Pre-stressed cement concrete चे उपयोग बघूया. The quantity of reinforcement can be considerably reduced by using this concrete. आता according to purpose मध्ये पहिला प्रकार बघूया vacuum concrete. The cement concrete from which entered air and excess water is removed after placing it by suction with the help of vacuum pump is called a vacuum concrete. In this concrete, the excessive water which is added to increase the workability but not required for the hydration of cement of concrete is removed by forming vacuum chambers. आता दुसरा प्रकार बघूया according to purpose चा air entered concrete. The concrete prepared by mixing aluminum in it is called air entered cellular or aerated concrete. In this type of concrete, bubbles of hydrogen gas are liberated which form cells and make the concrete cellular. Use of this type of concrete. This concrete is used for lining walls and roofs for heat and soundproof installation purposes. आता तिसरा प्रकार आहे according to purpose lightweight concrete. The concrete prepared by using coke, bridge, cinder or slag as a coarse aggregate is called as lightweight concrete. The concrete is light in weight and possess heat insulating properties. Uses of this type of concrete. This type of concrete is used in making precast structural units for partition and wall lining. तर आपण uses of concrete बघूया. Many structural elements like footings, columns, beams, chhajjas, lintels, roofs are made with RCC cement concrete. Cement concrete is used for making storage structures like water tanks, bins, bunkers, bridges, construction of dams, concrete dams, retaining walls are RCC structures in which concrete is the major ingredient. आणि आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये इतकंच. थँक्यू, धन्यवाद.